These bolts typically rust out. One of mine rounded over at the head and the other broke at the threads. I used some PB Blaster to loosen the threads. Then I used a bolt extractor to remove the bolt that had a rounded head. You want to use the bolt extractor by hand. This bolt had sheared off and left the shaft inside the threads. I have an extractor set that has drill bits and extractor bits. There's the drill bit. There's the extraction tool. I spent a lot of time trying to remove this broken bolt to no avail, but I'll show you what I did and maybe you'll be more successful. I used the center punch to keep the drill in the center. Spray some PB Blaster and let it soak in. We have the drill set at the slow speed, 1, and the drill function to get the maximum torque out. We'll use some cutting fluid while we use the drill. First we'll clean up the PB Blaster on top. Then we'll add some Tap Magic. Drill 5 wasn't making much progress, so I'm going to start with drill 10, the smallest size. These extraction bits are left-handed, so you have to put the drill in reverse. I should have gone up to drill 5 again. I broke the extractor bit at low speed. I found this tip on the internet. Maybe if I would have gone slow manually, it would have worked. In the end, I just didn't use a bolt in that position. You could also try to drill the hole deeper and with a larger diameter. One final problem. When I was tightening the new bolt to 8.7 foot-pounds, the mating threads failed. I ended up tightening the rest just a little bit.